Hey, what's up, guys? No Google apps, no problem. Finally, Huawei launched their P40 series. Glass front, ceramic back, ceramic frame. Once again, Huawei has its sights set on pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. Here is Huawei P40, P40 Pro, and P40 Pro Plus. Let's start about the display of P40. Here is a quite curved display and equipped with 6.58-inch OLED display that supports a refresh rate of 90 Hz and the resolution of 1200 multiplied by 2640 pixels HDR10. The P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus use a new overflow display, which is a kind of like Samsung's curved edges, except it includes the top and bottom edges of the phone as well. On the rear, Huawei offers both glass and ceramic materials, with a new matte finish that rejects fingerprints. Now let's talk about the camera. The P40 has 3 and P40 Pro has 4 and P40 Pro Plus have 5 cameras: wide, ultra-wide, 3x telephoto and 10x telephoto and TOF. On the front, all three phones share 32 megapixel selfie camera, though only the Pro models have autofocus for it. Huawei has also made improvements to the camera processing and software. The new hardware lets P Pro Plus reach up 100x hybrid zoom, and the company claims it proved depth detection for better work. New artificial intelligence feature let you remove passerby and reflections from photos. And on the video front, the cameras now support 60 fps slow motion and an audio zoom. Feature for honing is on specific sound, giving you even more data for your photos. Now let's talk about the colors of P40 Pro. In terms of color selection, Huawei has taken a much more conservative approach and made only 3 color options available for the P40 Pro: black, bluish, gold, and silver frost. The exterior once again consists of glass with a metal frame. This time, not just the left and right sides of the glass, but all 4 sides are rounded off, which looks nice and does not impair daily use, since the curvature is not too pronounced. And now it is on you which color you most like. Sensor quality. The only sensor that comes close is the 1.33 inches sensor used in the Samsung's S20 Ultra, but it is not available on the cheaper S20 models. Huawei uses the same primary sensor throughout the P40 family, ensuring you get similar image quality no matter what model you get. The flagship Kirin 990 5G inside the P40 Pro not only has an onboard 5G modem, but also a slightly higher clock speed than the regular Kirin 9090, On top of it, users get 8GB. The Kirin 990 is one of the fastest SoCs on the market currently, even though it cannot quite match the latest chips from Apple and Qualcomm. Wireless charging. Huawei P40 pack a 38 mAh battery, while the P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus have a 4200 mAh battery. Each supports 40-watt charging, while the Pro Plus also boosts the ability to charge at the same rate wirelessly. That increases the charging of a mobile and boosts it up. The P40 Pro can be charged with a cable at up to 40 watts, which means fully charging the device takes 84 minutes. Now let's talk about the Huawei App Store. Continued ban from Google services, including the Google Play Store. Huawei has been doing everything it can to get more apps in its own app gallery marketplace. But Android just does not feel the same without Google services in much of the world outside China. It is possible to use the P40 and get everything done that you need to. But even if you are moderate engaged in the Google ecosystem, switching over to a phone with no connection to the mothership is going to come with a big learning curve. Apps can be installed from the Huawei App Gallery, whereas Google service or the Play Store are not pre-installed. Manually installing these apps is not a simple task either, and it can only be accomplished with root permissions. Let me know down the comments below what your thoughts about the phone. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.